Welcome, I'm Air Fryer Tuck, where everything from my kitchen is oh so heavenly. Welcome, I'm Air Fryer Tuck, where everything from my kitchen is oh so heavenly. Now today we'll be using the air fryer to make the all-American French fries. Now there will be 3 separate videos. One video will be making the fries with absolutely no oil. One video will be making the fries with just a teaspoon of oil, for those who like a little zest in their flavor. And another video will be making the fries from scratch. That's right, a bud potato. Now in this video, we'll be making the fries with absolutely no oil whatsoever. You're going to find that many of the instructions call for a serving. A serving, they refer to 3 ounces. And how much is 3 ounces of fries? Let's find out. It looks like what they refer to is pretty much a half-filled cup of fries. I looked up my unit's recommendation for French fries and it specified 400 degrees for 18 minutes. Now don't forget, this is for frozen French fries, and we will get into the time required for freshly cut fries from scratch at a later video. Let's just go ahead, fill the cup, giving us a couple of servings. We'll go ahead and pull this out. Just drop it in. And we will now be setting it for 400 for about 18 minutes. And what started as frozen French fries are now crispy, golden French fries using absolutely no oil whatsoever and ready to serve and enjoy. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked crispy fries using absolutely no oil whatsoever. Now there'll be 2 more similar videos where I'll be using just a pinch of oil and also fries from scratch. Now if you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button for more videos coming up where everything from my kitchen is oh so heavenly.